second example, what is given? Matrix A is given, which is of order 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, B and C are also having the same order. Now, here we have to find X. Given that an equation in terms of the 3 matrices and also in terms of X. Now, to find X, first we will find the value of X. Let us find from this equation the value of X in the terms of the 3 matrices which are already known to you, that is A, B, C. Okay? Now, in solution, what is given? Since the equation is given, that is 3A minus 4B plus 5X is equal to C, where A, B, C are the matrices, X is also a matrix, and that matrix we have to find. Okay? So, therefore, now here try to keep the unknown matrix X on left hand side and the remaining part we will shift it to the right hand side. So, what is the value of 5X? Now, transfer the two terms, first and second term, towards right. Already on right hand side C is present. Okay? Now, if I transfer this 3A towards right, sign will change. So, it is minus 3A, C minus 3A. For second term, it is negative. So, if we transfer it, it becomes 4B. Therefore, now what is the value of X? To remove this 5, we have to divide both sides by 5. So, therefore, if I divide left hand side by 5, 5 gets cancelled, and now here remaining X only, and dividing also right hand side by 5 or multiplying by 1 by 5. Inside the bracket, the expression is C minus 3A plus 4B. Now, we say that this is the formula for finding X. Now, before substituting all these values, let us find the value of bracket first, and then we multiply by 1 by 5. Okay? To find the value of bracket, here let us write down C minus 3A plus 4B. C minus 3A plus 4B. Put the value of C. C is the matrix, that is 2, 4, minus 1, minus 4 and minus 3, 6, that is matrix C. Then minus 3 times the matrix A. What is A? 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, then 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, minus 6, 0, minus 6, 0, minus 6, 0. Okay? And the third term is here plus 4B, 4 times plus 4 times matrix B. B is the matrix minus 1, minus 2, second row 4, 2, and the third row is 1, 5. Okay? Now, here on right hand side we observe that there are different operations. Here is subtraction, then here for in second term we see that 3 multiplied by this matrix. So, that is a scalar multiplication, again addition is there, scalar multiplication is there. So, here we will first obtain scalar multiplication and then we will do addition subtractions. Okay? So, which is equal to simplification of right hand side, first term no change, 2, 4, 2, 4, minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, 6 as it is. Now, here minus 3 into, now we multiply each element of this matrix by 3. So, it becomes multiplying each element. So, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. then 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6 with negative sign, 3 3s are 9, then 3 5s are 15 with negative sign minus 15, then 3 6s are 18 but negative sign minus 18, and 3 into 0, that is 0. Then plus 4 times the matrix, here multiplying each element of the matrix by 4, so it becomes 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 4 2s are 8 with negative sign, that is minus 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, then 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, 4 5s are 20. Now we observe that there are two operations, that is subtraction and addition. So when addition subtractions are the operations more than one, then we will solve these operations, we apply these operations from left to right. So first we will do subtraction and then we will do addition. So which is equal to, now doing subtraction first, subtraction of two matrices, that is taking difference of the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Okay, so 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, 4 minus of minus 6, 4 minus of minus 6. So if you open the bracket, negative of negative, it becomes positive. So 4 plus 6, that will be 10. Okay, minus 1 minus 9, same sign, so it is minus 10. Minus 4 minus of minus 15, minus 4 minus of minus 15, so minus of minus becomes plus, so 15 minus 4, that will be 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. Now minus 3 minus of minus 18, minus 3 minus of minus 18, so minus of minus becomes plus, 18 minus 3, that is 15. And now 6 minus 0, that will be 6. Okay. Now next term as it is, plus minus 4 minus 8, 16, 8, 4, 20. Now only one operation is remaining, that is addition. Now taking addition of the two matrices, which is equal to sum of the corresponding elements of the two matrices, minus 1 plus minus 4, minus 1 plus minus 4. So if you open the bracket, it becomes minus 1 plus minus becomes minus. So minus 1 minus 4, both the numbers are having same sign, so we will add it and the sign will be negative. So it is minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, 10 plus minus 8, 10 plus minus 8. If we open the bracket, plus minus becomes minus, 10 minus 8 is 2, minus 10 plus 16, that is 6, 11 plus 88, that is 19, then 15 plus 4, 19, 6 plus 20, that is 26. So this is the value of this expression, bracketed quantity, that is the expression inside the bracket is a matrix of order 3 by 2. And now we will put this value here. So from 1 we get, from 1 x is equal to, it is 1 upon 5 times value of the bracket is a matrix. What is the matrix? That is minus 5 2, 6, 19, 19, 26. So kept as it is, otherwise dividing each element of the matrix by 5, so it becomes, this answer is also correct. So minus 5 upon 5, it is minus 1, then the next element will be 2 by 5, then it is 6 by 5, 19 by 5, 19 by 5 and 26 by 5. So this is the value of matrix X. Okay. Now let us come to the next example, third example.